boys were planning to fish for something valuable in the river, but every time they pulled up, it was just scrap metal. Just as they were about to give up, the magnet suddenly got stuck on something. The two thought they had found a treasure, so they quickly pulled with all their strength, but the next second, they were horrified to find that the magnet was attached to an unexploded shell. This scared them a lot. Soon after receiving the call, the police cordoned off the scene and launched an exploration of the surrounding waters. They quickly fished out 3 boxes of shells from underwater. The police thought the crisis was over, and since a swimming race would be held in the same river in a few days, to avoid causing panic, the sheriff said these shells were left over from World War II, and their expiration date had long passed, so there was no danger of explosion at all. But marine biologist Lisa noticed something was wrong. She detected sharks in the river from her instruments, so she immediately told the sheriff about the situation. However, the sheriff didn't care, because sharks are marine creatures, and this is a freshwater river. Sharks can't possibly survive here. But at Lisa's insistent request, the sheriff had to send someone to check the river again. When the team members dived 10 meters deep into the water, they suddenly saw a terrifying scene.